The way that I look at paid advertising, whether it's Google, Facebook, Instagram, any of those things, is you need to give it 90 days in order to have a quick optimization or an initial optimization period. How long should PPC or Google ads or Facebook ads, basically paid advertising, take in order to get results? That is a question that I get asked often by people that are looking to invest time and money into paid advertising. The short answer is 3 to 6 months. So I know I just did a video recently on search engine optimization, which was more that 6, 9 to 12 months and longer. But Google ads is going to be much quicker. Facebook ads or any sort of paid advertising is going to be much quicker because it basically cheats the system, quote unquote, cheats the system by getting your stuff in front of the ideal clients as soon as possible. Obviously, it comes with a premium of putting ad spend into it. The way that I look at paid advertising, whether it's Google, Facebook, Instagram, any of those things, is you need to give it 90 days in order to have a quick optimization or an initial optimization period. So what I mean by that is if we're launching a Google or we're launching a Facebook ad and we get your stuff on the first page of Google or in the Facebook feed immediately, that's pretty self-explanatory. You have the ability to get leads and close business right away. But typically, even if we take over an existing Google Ads account, the reason why you're switching over to a new company or starting on your own, if you've been with a company, is because it's not working. So you still have to set a new precedent. You have to set up a new campaign, all of those things. We'll talk about, the difference between starting a brand new ad account and taking over an existing one here in a little bit. But initially, when you're starting to run those ads, you need 90 days worth of data because when you're getting those leads, when you're getting those clicks, when you're getting those sales, you're typically going to pay a premium in that initial period compared to what it will be from 90 days to 6 months and even after that. Because you're collecting data, you're in data collection mode in those first 90 days to see what is working and what is not. So it's not that you're not going to get business in those first 90 days, but the goal is to accomplish gathering that data, getting that data in the first 90 days so that your second 90 days is more profitable using the exact same ad spend or maybe increasing it a little bit, but getting the same type of return on investment, but a better return on investment with more ad spend if you were looking to do that. So for example, if you're paying $100 a lead in the first month, by month 4, we would hope to be able to bring that down or get more out of that lead, a higher quality lead at 100 than the higher quality lead or that same quality lead at the first month. So the reason why we anticipate and recommend giving it 3 to 6 months is the first 90 days is really that initial optimization period. And then you take all of that data and you double down on it, whether you're using the same exact ad spend or you're increasing that ad spend in days 90 to 6 months. So 3 to 6 months is the typical time period where I tell people you should give in order to get the best results and the best return on investment. If you don't give it that 3 to 6 month period, all you're doing is shutting down the opportunity to get better results with the money that you already put into place. Now, another question that I get is, I have an existing ad account. Should I continue to use that or should I start fresh? You should continue to use the ad account that money has already been spent in because Google understands that you've already been spending money. You might be spending the exact same amount of money. You might be spending a little bit less than you were previously, or maybe you're even spending more money. But if you have an existing ad account, it helps with the optimization period in order to get results quicker, faster, stronger with a better return on investment instead of starting completely from scratch. Now, if you've never done an ads account before, of course, we're going to have to start fresh, which takes a little bit longer than an ad account that's been out there for a while. If you've been using an agency, which we've consistently been seeing far too often, that owns your ad account, don't hire an agency that owns your ad account, then of course we're going to have to start a new one. So 3 to 6 months is the typical amount of time we recommend and we tell people to anticipate in order to get the best results with the most of your ad budget, to get the most out of your ad budget. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions about Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff, this is our wheelhouse. We manage about $2 million a month in ad spend across various platforms. This is stuff that we do all day long. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.